Although they're relatively new, EnvyBots is taking the technology world by storm. Their printer, the Envy Pro, is essentially a factory in a box. It has new, unique capabilities, and other companies are still trying to catch up.
We had all these ideas when we were in school and college, and we found that the common thread was that we weren't able to create any of them because we didn't have access to the right resources, particularly 3D printing. When we started this company about 3 years ago, we were solving a problem that we had fundamentally as students. So we solved those problems by networking the 3D printer so that we could access it from anywhere where we had an internet connection. And then even further, we invented the world's first part removal mechanism for a 3D printer. So that enabled us to print one part, remove it automatically, and then print the next part, thus allowing us to create the first true 3D printing queue in existence. So that's really what differentiates our technology from everything else that's out there. So we talked about how some of the parts are actually 3D printed in our own printers, but what we do here is we really focus on providing a high quality, reliable product. So what we do is we start off with precision machining. We work very closely with many local shops, almost exclusively United States vendors, to do our machining and bring us custom parts that we need for producing our printers. And as soon as we get all those parts in the door, we do very rigorous quality control to make sure every single part that comes in from our manufacturers is completely up to spec and ensure entirely that there are no problems with the parts before they go into a printer and cause problems for our customers. What we do here is we do printing in a few different materials. Right now we have on market 3D printers that can print in plastics, which are great for a large number of use cases. The biggest one for the plastic 3D printing is rapid prototyping.
EnvyBots stresses the importance of kids learning how to use 3D printing technology, so they have a program for schools to lease the printers rather than paying the expensive price up front. Any part, any material, anytime, anywhere. EnvyBots.